Ah.
My grandson Joshua.
Okay. Say hello.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Welcome to Korea.
I like. Okay.
Yeah.
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 You're like it. You're in YouTube now.
Okay. That's it. See you. Yeah. Hey.
Papa, picture tayo.
Okay,
Kuya Bas.
picture.
Papa.
Okay.
Okay, one.
Uh-huh.
Papa, picture ko dito.
Okay.
Please.
Cecilia is there.
Picture dito. Ikaw man sunod.
Oh, that's the real final. Oi, no recording. Kasi English ko with the off. It's the real Gamchun.
Picture na. Picture ta dito.
Gamchun. Okay. Real Gamchun. Wow. Oh, they're playing hockey?
Hindi na ako gusto magkalo. Kaya galing ko hindi ko pa.
Oh wow. It's close. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Just nasa background. It's good. Ah. 한참이다. Uh-huh. Look at that tree. History of Banchon. Oh, wow! You got their cats. Ooh, I like that cat. That one. Yeah, if you are visiting Gamchon, you need to go around and you can see special things. Uh-huh. They're feeding the cats. Yeah, it's good. Lang sa'yo. Oh, okay, it's good. Oh, wow. See? Anisos ng gobyerno, no? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, let's go to village. Going up. So we've been there having our coffee. Yeah, rock and roll. Okay, let's go. Handmade gift shop. Oh wow. We're really going up. There's another toilet there. Artisan. Another one. The lighthouse. Yeah. And they're all Bitcoin. Look. Dapat why yung nag-park din mo. Alright. Going up. Very steep.
Similar crates like this.
Is it?
So this is longer.
Yeah, it's very steep. Should be we're going there.
Pangalay. Mga pinta.
Sa ngayon. That's the cut. Ooh, go back. Okay. Come here. Diba? Chill. Ganun. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Nangyari mo?
Ah. Mhm. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Trying to find.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, baby. Alright, mga kabayo. So, let's go to Cloud Trail. The way to go to Songdo Beach. 100%. Okay. That's it. So, what trail is it? We're going to the cloud. What cloud is it, baby? What cloud is it? We're going to... Let's find that cloud.
This is Songdo Cloud Trail.
Songdo Cloud Trail. Okay.
Ayan, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, that's it. Songdo Beach tourist information. We're going to the 100-year Songdo Alley. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Ay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go over there. Ha? Tayo kasi may mga makikita tayo dito. That's it. Maybe. Oh! Village pala to eh. Village ng mga kainan doon. Ayan. Kami.
What's the word for if it's done wrong? Like
Sala.
the other one.
O mali.
The other one.
Ah,
Like lapit or
ha?
lala. The other word.
What's the other word? Sala. Mali.
It's done it wrong.
Mali.
No, not like
Mali.
I think it's got a P on it.
Palagpat.
Which one?
Palagpat.
Langkat. Oh yeah.
Palagpat.
What's that mean?
Palagpat. Yan. So this is it. The Songdo Beach. We're in the Songdo Beach. Wow, that's too hot. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ooh. That's it. Grabe. Init. Wow, ang init. Ayan.
Windy.
Woo.
Windy beach.
Wash your feet lang, wash your feet. No swimming. Pero may nagsi-swimming.
May isda oh. Ayun oh. May whale. Did you see the whale?
Rito yun.
Did you see the whale? Mommy. See no, right? How about,
Sila nagsi-swimming sila.
how about you no left? It's okay. Whale is friendly. The whale is a good one. Yeah. Ooh.
What's waterfall? It's like too big
Kasi
tagtag.
parang buto.
Huh?
What's waterfall?
Wala na lang sabaw.
Blood
Hindi talaga. Unless
Yeah.
na mga
Waterfall
naman ang
is
section nila. Pero pag skiing,
what we sa Tagalog. On Bisaya is Busay. Busay. Like Busan is Busay with Y, Busay. But waterfalls is
Ay, Ilonggo.
ano ganun yung Busang waterfall na? Busay? Busay ng Japon no? How about in Tagalog? Waterfalls in Tagalog.
Waterfall. Inulugan.
Sa kanya, siya tubig dagdag, papa, tubig dagdag.
Tubig hulog.
Dagdag ng tubig. Okay.
Pangpon sa Tagalog.
Ano ba yung falls? Pag Sanhan Falls, parang na ano yung natin kasi. Look at that. And the whale is over there. Sanggu Beach. Oh. Wow, the whale is there again.
아니 뭐 천박치 않았잖아.
Magkano ba yung ride nila? Oh, 6,000, one animal. Songgu. Songgu Sea. Yeah, it's over there. So they're going to the sea. Lati
Grabe,
again.
Papa, alas dos init.
Grabe, ang init. So this one is good. I got the beans. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's go.
Wala talaga dala. Nagkaon na ito. Doon ta ka dala.
Kami nagulang tayo na yan. Madugang na dito.
나 바닐라 비스킷.
Pagkaunta sa muna ako.
Anong bangga dito?
Ha?
Alam mo, tinapay ang...
Oh, ito sige, isa kaminggo. Na. Okay.
아까 빙수가
Ay, dada tinapay na. Ubus na tinapay. Tanong mo. Gusto sa... Kani may wifi. Di ba i-check mo? Ano na?
Walang beer. Walang beer dito. Mamaya na lang.
Walang din?
Walang beer.
beer.
Ay! Bread. Ako siya. Bread.
Here? Here?
Here? Yeah.
Oh, eat here?
Tikir.
Guys.
Two picture?
Thank you.
Okay. Tagal pa pala.
Kanchura. Ito lang mo.
Tagal ba? After people ang tanong ng boto.
Ha?
Dinas na. Okay. Okay.
There's some chairs upstairs.
There's some chairs. May chairs upstairs daw. May chairs. We'll check. Yeah. Tapos lang yan. Are you going? Okay, let's go then. They're moving. Eh, bago lang sila nakuha sa pagkaon.
Ha?
Bago lang sila nakuha pagkaon. Yeah, let's go. Let's pick it up. Let's pick up the order. Oh. That's loud. Let's go. Get the order. Just ask for extra scoop.
There's an extra scoop this.
Yeah, we got like 3.
Sorry?
Yeah, we need 3. Sorry. You're okay with that, Lily? You can let me hold it.
This is hot water. Here.
Okay, okay.
Please liquid it here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Okay. So we just
You
bring it back.
Yeah. Careful, yeah?
First.
The waiter robot is here. He's the one who's doing. Oh, what happened? Aha, they got it.
Hindi man tayo nakapunta dun sa burger. ng
So hot water.
Yeah, that's why you need to put it here now. So melt it.
Melted.
Yeah, this is hot water. So we're gonna put this one over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Uy!
Uy, ano yan?
Yeah.
Uy, wala na. Ikaw na lang.
Meron po.
Wait. Nalubat ako. Meron ka na. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Ah.
Yeah. Wow.
Ano yan? Yung dry ice?
Let's maybe go there. That's a good.
Wait. Yan na.
That's true.
That's a chocolate milk. Alright. Okay.
Buhusan mo para...
Ayun na.
Fire.
Anong flavor ang sa inyo? Beans? Sabi ko na nga ba?
Kailangan. Mas maganda din yung sa inyo para
I feel short in this chair.
Okay.
Uy.
Hoy.
May gusto itong halo-halo nila. Mas healthy. Halo-halo natin utang. Kasi marami naman laman.
Para matamis siya. Yeah,
Dalawa ko
sugar.
sa Korea, kain ulit ako nito sa station. Sa airport mo.
Got it? Yeah, bilis.
Really?
Boring.
Boring.
Simple lang yung kanyang ano.
Simple.
Napabidyo-video ka pa dyan, naubos na namin ito sa Itong ka ice cream?
Ice cream. Then we'll put some ice cream.
It's got boba.
Really?
Lang may boba.
Really?
Pating boba. Yan ang favorite.
Okay.
Really?
Ganda. Ito. Yan. it. Yeah. Again. This one. Do this.
Charge.
Do this.
Meron din siya.
Nag-coconut.
Isa daw yung kanyang
Nice. It's too icy. So it seems like halo-halo.
Araw-araw may bingko
Back
ako.
home.
Kagabi na bingko na ako.
Bingso ka pa rin.
With bean.
The red bean is too icy. Alright, mga ka-vibes,
Dito sa kanila, oh.
Sa mga Pilipino talaga.
Kasi, oh, ang pangit tingnan.
nanonood ng vlog ko. Yeah, ito yung setup pala dito, shaved ice. So, shaved ice, is talagang naiba siya sa yung mga ordinaryong halo-halo sa atin kasi yellow. Shaved ice, para siyang, hindi siya, wala siyang bilog-bilog na ice eh. Parang fine talaga.
Kasi nag-ayos.
Tsaka hindi siya madaling natunaw yung shaved ice nila. So I think parang ano siya eh, parang siyang milk yung shaved ice mo. Masarap. Yeah. Beans. Red beans.
Wala, there's no more ice. It's already
Dito siya tunaw.
Hindi nga ito natutunaw. Kasi lagyan mo ng water.
Pinuusok mo yun sa inyo eh.
Inubos mo yung water ko. Just
So,
now.
It's a hot water melted.
Yeah. Kaya umano.
hindi mo ito. Ayan, meron pa siyang... Oops! Na, tumba na. Marami siyang ice. Ako lang. Isa,
Busin mo na.
buti mo na.
Masarap ang mangga
Dalawa.
nila dito. Hindi yung mangga.
Tatlo.
Hindi matamis na ano.
Ayan, tapos meron ito. Ay, meron siyang...
Any more?
Magkano yung ganyan sa ano?
Alright.
Sa New Malden? May ganyan yung bingso sa New Malden eh. Mango lang.
Pero ano sa Malden, kailan ba?
Balik ka dito.
Aba, sa New Malden.
Balik tayo dito.
Gusto ko doon yung sardines. Kasi fresh. Yung makikita mo talaga sila sa umaga nangunguha. Kayong sa New Malden. Tapos sa New Malden.
Saan nanguha?
Ah, sa dagat.
Ha? Restaurant?
Yung sa harap lang. Oh, look at that. So, you can see, it's not easily melted. Yeah? Is it okay? Yeah, not easily. Pero pag yellow to, pag ice to, yan. Yeah, this is the ice. But it's like a powdered.
Let's try it.
Yeah, like a powdered ice. They called it shave ice. Yeah? So, let's try the beans.
Ito nilagyan ng mango.
I got his bag. Okay. That's it. See?
Have some spare water.
beans, medyo matamis siya. Huh? Alright.
Grabe daw ako.
Cheating ako ngayon.
Hard. Yeah. Eh, kanina din, ano rin ako, nagmakaroon.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, dito pag if you're eating, you need to clean.
You need to clean
Table, yan. And then bring it downstairs.
Nakita ko yung ano eh.
Hindi kasi respeto. Pati upuan, Diyos, put the chair back properly.
Okay, it's sparkling clean. Yeah. Good. Thanks, babe.